Imagine you're about to hop on a Grab ride, but you've run out of cash. What do? Don't worry, Grabpay has got you covered. But did you know that you can use more than just your local currency to pay for your rides? Let's start with the basics. Grabpay is a mobile wallet that lets you pay for a variety of services, including Grab rides, food delivery, and online shopping. But what makes it unique is its flexibility when it comes to digital currencies. Supported digital currencies. So, which digital currencies can you use in Grabpay? Well, the exact list can vary depending on your location, but here are some of the most common ones. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, ETH, a platform for building decentralized applications. Tether, USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Binance Coin, BNB, the native token of the Binance Exchange. Ripple, XRP, a digital asset designed for global payments. And that's just a few. Grabpay is constantly adding new digital currencies to its platform. How to use digital currencies in Grabpay. Now, you might be wondering how to actually use these digital currencies in Grabpay. It's pretty straightforward. 1. Link your wallet. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet to Grabpay. You can usually do this by scanning a QR code or entering your wallet address. 2. Choose your currency. When making a payment, select the digital currency you want to use. 3. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your transaction and confirm it. It's that simple. Benefits of using digital currencies in Grabpay. But why should you use digital currencies in Grabpay? Here are a few benefits. 1. Convenience. No need to carry cash or worry about exchange rates. 2. Security. Digital currencies are often more secure than traditional payment methods. 3. Rewards. Some Grabpay platforms offer rewards or cashback for using digital currencies. Things to consider. Before you dive into using digital currencies in Grabpay, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Volatility. Digital currency prices can fluctuate significantly. 2. Fees. Some platforms may charge fees for using digital currencies. 3. Regulations. The use of digital currencies may be subject to regulations in your country. So, there you have it. Grabpay offers a convenient and secure way to use digital currencies for your everyday needs. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or simply looking for a more efficient way to pay, Grabpay has you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.